when you make the shift from fashion to politics, were you taken seriously or were
Not
you
at all. I was totally dismissed. And the first election I fought in 2004 from Bandra West, when I lost that election, they said, "अरे ये तो साड़ी पहनाती है, इसको राजनीति के बारे में क्या
Who
पता?"
they? Baba Siddiqui was your opponent,
No,
no?
but people from my own party then. They dismissed me totally and they thought that I'm some dumb bimbo who has come from the fashion industry. अरे ये तो साड़ी पहनाती है, ये साड़ी बनाती है. What is wrong in that? I mean, I genuinely, my passion has always been to take the sari to the international platform. And you talked about Bindi, ma'am. I'll tell you something. We don't need to wait for Sherry Blair, Jemima Khan, Liz Hurley to wear a sari. It should be something that the younger generation just totally wants to wear as a style statement. And that's why I used to feel so, and I've spoken very many times about all these stars who go to all these film festivals and they wear all these international designer gowns. I mean, look at the talent in India. The most beautiful saris you can wear and you can showcase what actually belongs to us.
Ruchi, you were posted in UK. Something Shaina said just sparked that. We've seen Princess Diana and we've seen Jemima wearing the salwar kameez. But till Sherry Blair came, I don't remember anybody wearing a sari,
Theresa
right?
May also
Theresa May.
yes.
Yeah, but later, right?
Later.
But from
Later.
the royal family?
No, I also don't think there is anybody.
Anybody, right? I mean, even for their India House events and all that.
No. I don't know.
I don't know of anybody who would wear a sari and come
I
in.
think
The only international designer who really tried to work with the sari was Zandra Rhodes.
Yeah, the first one. You're talking 1980s, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But having
it
said
was
that,
a little much.
Yeah.
Not really that, like a Banarsi or...
But you know, the beauty of the 6 yards fabric is that you can cut it, chop it, make it into anything, use it as a drape, use it as a jacket later on, and pass it down generation after generation. When you have a constructed silhouette, what can you do with it? You can just wear it the way it is or just alter it a little.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.